Hello, welcome to all. Today I will discuss about management of poison as per toxicology. Myself Aisha and I am pursuing BMS from Shriram Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, Meerut. We will start with definition of poison. A poison is defined as any substance, solid, liquid or gases which when administered in living body through any route, inhalation, ingestion, surface absorption, etc. will produce ill health or death by its action which is due to its physical, chemical or physiological properties. General principles of management of poisoning: resuscitation, removal of unabsorbed poison, use of antidotes, elimination of absorbed poison, treatment of symptoms and other complications, and last, maintenance of patient general condition. Resuscitation: the initial approach for evaluating the critically poisoned patient centers on through assessment, appropriate stabilization, and supportive care. Resuscitation is required for patient presenting with a toxicologic emergency. This follows a standard ABC. A stands for airway, B for breathing, and C for circulation. Removal of unabsorbed poison. First, inhale poison. If the poison, for example carbon monoxide and gas, has been inhaled, the patient should be removed to fresh air and artificial respiration has to be given. Second, injected poison. If the poison has been injected, a tourniquet should be applied proximal to the point of injection. Third, ingested poison. The poison has to be removed as soon as possible from stomach by vomiting and gastric lavage. Use of antidotes. Antidotes are remedies which neutralize the effect of poison without causing appreciable harm to the body. First, mechanical or physical antidote. Bulky food articles like potato, banana, etc. hinders the ingested poisons by blocking their action on the gastric mucosa. Second, chemical antidotes. Lime for oxalic acid, weak alkali magnesium oxide for acids. Third, physiological or pharmacological antidotes. These act by producing exactly the opposite action to those produced by poison. For example, nolone in morphine poisoning. Fourth, universal antidote. It consists 2 parts of charcoal, 1 part of magnesium oxide and 1 part of tannic acid. Elimination of absorbed poison. If more than 6 hours have passed from time of poisoning and previously mentioned measures are not proving sufficient, then it should be understood that large amount of poison has been absorbed in blood system. This absorbed poison should be removed by diuresis or sedation. Treatment of symptoms and other complications. Symptomatic treatment plays an important role in management of poisoning cases. For pain relief, we use morphine or pethidine. For respiratory complications, artificial respiration and oxygen therapy has to be given. For low blood pressure, cardiostimulants. For pyrexia, antipyretic drugs are used like nimesulide and naproxen. For fall in temperature, warm room, blanket, etc. For convulsions, barbiturates. For dehydration, fluids has to be given. Maintenance of patient general condition. During the course of management for poisoning, the general health of patient should be maintained. Body temperature, functioning of various organs, strength and consciousness should be checked at regular intervals. Optimum nursing care, psychological support and medical management, all these are of equal importance in treating case of poisoning. In suicidal poisoning case, after recovery the patient should be kept under the guidance of psychiatric experts. Thank you.